Yuzu and Pear tutorial on making girls' boy shorts. It is a great project to use up your scrap knit fabric, as all you need are some fabrics for the following pattern pieces and of course an elastic band for the waistband. So how do we get started? First, clip the crotch pieces and the front piece together. The right sides of each crotch piece should be facing the front piece. We recommend using clips instead of pins for knit fabric to prevent damaging the fabric. Next, we will sew the pieces together. Following that, we will attach the back piece to the other pieces using the burrito style method. We will clip the back piece to the outer crotch piece, right sides together. Roll down the front and back pieces, sandwiching those pieces between the two crotch pieces. Then we will sew the pieces together. After sewing the pieces together, it's recommended that you trim the seam allowance to reduce the bulk at the seams. Once that is done, we can turn the pieces right side out. Next, we will do a stay stitch along the edge of the crotch pieces, and then we will mark the hem allowance using fabric marker, as it is easier to do so at this stage when we can still lay out the pieces flat. After that, we will do the side seams. Clip the right sides of the back and front pieces together. Then you will sew the side seams. Once that is done, we will move on to attaching elastic band to the waistband. After sewing the ends of the elastic band, divide and mark the elastic bands into quarters and clip them onto the garment, matching the marks to the center front, center back, and the two sides. Then, we will use a serger or zigzag stitch if you do not have a serger to secure the elastic band to the garment. We will have to stretch the elastic band to match the fabric as we sew. Be careful not to stretch the fabric during the sewing or serging. And there you have it, the boy shorts is almost done. We will now fold the waistband once towards the wrong side of the fabric and use the twin needle or zigzag stitch to finish the waistline. Likewise, we will fold and press the hem towards the wrong side along the leg holes and complete with twin needles or zigzag stitching. For more detailed guidance on using twin needles, do check out our video on setting your machine to use the twin needles. And there you have it, your boy shorts is done!